welcome back to, I think this is gonna be episode 2 of trying to fix all the dings and defects on my car. This is gonna be this fender here, right here. We're gonna have to clean up to the metal, this area here, and then use filler and do it back. We're gonna start with 80 grit to clean up the area, and then we'll jump to 240. We'll jump to 240, and then we'll see. We'll use some body filler, polish it, and then we'll see what's what. Yeah, so without further ado, let's give it a go. Yeah. By the looks of it, this fender has been hit in the past, and it's full of other body filler which cracked. So yeah, we're trying to get as much as possible and then give a shape. We are back to the metal on this side, but the situation is not as easy as we imagined. Okay guys, the problem, you guys don't see it but so well, but before we had the problem that we had, just I'm guessing before we bought the car, there has been a hit here before, and the fender, guys, has a dip here. So the previous people have just filled it in with some filler and that's it. But even though I am a beginner and I have no real experience or whatnot, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to straighten it up a little bit with some hammers and then fill it in. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. This is gonna be the biggest body job I ever did. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to undo the liner a little bit underneath and then try to tap it from inside and pop it back out a little bit, and then put some body filler, and that's it. Try to reestablish this body line, guys. You see that body line that comes like that, and it blends into this one here. So what we'll try to do, we'll try to reestablish this if we can. If not, we'll do the same. We'll put the filler. Yeah, okay, be right back. Okay guys, so I tried with the hammers to bring it back, and I think I did a fairly decent job. I don't know how well you can see. This was the biggest problem that it used to be. Okay, I think I'm fairly confident that we can. It kind of looks like a dolphin in it. So I'm fairly confident that we can pull this out from body filler. Okay, so yeah, okay, I'm very happy with this, guys. Okay, we'll proceed to put some body filler, and yeah, there you go. This is first coat. Yeah. And now guys, here's the final result of all our work. This was our fix. Of course it's not perfect, but guys, for a home fix, there is our blend. It's very little bit visible. I'll tell you what guys, I'd rather do this at home than to take it to a body shop and pay hundreds and hundreds of euros. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and till the next one. Yeah, there you go. Home, cheap, just some elbow grease and fun. There you go guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. If not, it's okay. Just I'm happy you guys are watching my videos, and yeah, thank you.